जयतु जयतु सूर्यम् सप्तलोकैकदीपम् किरणशमितपाप क्लेश दुःखस्य नाशम् अरुण किरणगम्यम् आदिम् आदित्यमूर्तिम् सकलभुवनवन्द्यम् भास्करं तं नमामि भास्करं तं नमामि आदित्यः सविता सूर्यः खगः पूषा गभस्तिमान् सुवर्णसदृशो भानुः सुवर्णसदृशो भानुः हिरण्यरेता दिवाकरः दिवाकरः हिरण्यरेता दिवाकरः.
Namaste, I am Runa and I welcome you to the world of money. When I first heard about this topic on receiving and giving money, I was taken aback. Throughout my life, I have been always a giver. I used to give money and then used to wonder I always give money and didn't receive anything in return. I was even shy to ask for the money which actually belonged me. Then I had an opportunity to listen this topic of receiving and giving money in Money Workshop. I started applying these techniques in my life. I realized I was the stumbling block. Many opportunities and money came to me then. Lots of wonderful and beautiful things happened to me. I wish the same happens to you. Let us now listen to the techniques of receiving and giving money from Mr. Suresh Padmanabhan, the creator of Money Workshop.
The topic that you are now going to listen is techniques for receiving and giving money. Now if you look at it, what we have really done is, we have said receiving comes first and then giving comes second. This itself will be very shocking to some of you all. If this has literally shocked you, don't worry. There are more shocks ahead. To receive well, relax yourself, get a smile on the face. For money is not a very serious topic. For a long, long time, we have been brainwashed in favor of giving more than receiving. Now, why this has happened? Something interesting here is all people and systems which exist today tell you that giving is absolutely beautiful, giving is absolutely of great virtue, and keep on giving. And people kept on giving and giving and giving. Look into your own life and take a check right now. You have given, you have also received. There are two quadrants. Now check which quadrant is heavier. Many of you will suddenly realize, my God, I have given more than actually I have received. We need to correct this. Giving has been propagated because it benefits a few people. Something very clever was done. All the wonderfulness was taught to people so that they became ready to give. and few became ready to receive. Where do you give? Money, donations, charity. The same people and systems became ready to receive. So the masses kept on giving and the select few kept on receiving. They did not want much competition in the receiving area. So what they did is, while they promoted virtues of giving, they also said how demeaning it is to receive, how bad it is to receive, so that people stopped receiving itself. So when people stopped receiving, many givers and few receivers, so they stood to benefit. Look intricately and more deeply, and you'll realize the whole system at work. But in the world of money, the most important element is we have to be open to receive. If we are not open to receive, how will things come our way? Many of us have this huge block or condition that receiving is bad for us in the first case. Look at yourself. Somebody comes and says to you, thank you. How do you feel? You feel like the thank you has got stuck to you. You are not even comfortable in receiving a thank you, leave alone big things and big money. But all through our life, we want money, we want wealth, and we keep wondering, why doesn't it come to us? Understand receiving in a complete manner. So today, right now, the block against receiving is totally broken. And when this is broken, nothing can stop things coming to you. It just rushes, flows. It's like a dam which has got water in it, and one day the dam breaks. What happens? There's a gush of water and limitless water. So much water that it's unbelievable that it was there in the first case. The same phenomena happens to you also. For that, the most important thing you have to realize is receiving is so beautiful. Receiving is so wonderful. The whole universe in which we are is in a receiving spree.